From the sun-drenched meadows of Europe to the rolling hills of Asia, a humble yet remarkable plant unfurls its delicate petals. Chamomile, with its gentle aroma and soothing properties, has been a steadfast companion to humankind for centuries. Join me now as we delve deeper into the world of chamomile, exploring its origins, its remarkable benefits, and how this unassuming flower can become a cherished part of your daily life. For millennia, chamomile has been revered for its gentle healing touch. The ancient Egyptians held chamomile in high esteem, employing it in a myriad of ways, from embalming to soothing ailments. Across the sands of time, the knowledge of chamomile's benefits spread, reaching the shores of Greece and Rome. There, it was woven into daily life, its delicate petals steeped into teas, its essence infused into oils, all in pursuit of harnessing its soothing embrace. Down through the ages, chamomile has transcended cultural boundaries, passed down through generations like a cherished heirloom. Today, chamomile continues to captivate us, its delicate beauty belying a resilience and a wealth of benefits that science is only beginning to fully comprehend. Deep within chamomile's delicate petals lies a complex symphony of natural compounds, each playing a vital role in its remarkable ability to promote well-being. These compounds work in harmony to deliver a range of health benefits that have been cherished for centuries. One such compound, apigenin, acts as a gentle conductor, orchestrating a cascade of calming effects within our bodies. This flavonoid is known for its ability to reduce anxiety and induce relaxation. Apigenin, an antioxidant with potent relaxing properties, binds to specific receptors in the brain, mimicking the effects of certain neurotransmitters that promote sleep and relaxation, helping to quiet the mind and ease us into a state of tranquility. This makes chamomile tea a perfect evening ritual for those looking to unwind after a long day. This natural sedative effect makes chamomile an invaluable ally in our quest for restful sleep, providing a gentle nudge towards a night of uninterrupted rest, gently ushering us into the comforting embrace of slumber. The soothing aroma and warm, comforting taste of chamomile tea can transform bedtime into a serene experience. But chamomile's benefits extend far beyond a good night's rest. Its versatility makes it a staple in natural medicine cabinets around the world. Its anti-inflammatory properties, like a soothing balm, help to calm the fires of inflammation throughout the body, making it beneficial for conditions like arthritis and skin irritations, bringing relief to aching muscles and irritated skin. Chamomile-infused lotions and creams are popular for their ability to soothe and heal. For those seeking solace from the relentless grip of stress and anxiety, chamomile offers a gentle haven. Its calming effects can help reduce the physical symptoms of stress. Its calming compounds act as a buffer against the onslaught of everyday worries, providing a natural way to manage stress and promote mental well-being, helping to restore a sense of balance and peace to our often overwhelmed nervous systems. Regular consumption of chamomile can be a simple yet effective way to enhance overall mental health. And let us not forget chamomile's long-standing reputation as a digestive soother. Its gentle action on the digestive system can alleviate discomfort and promote healthy digestion. For generations, it has been a go-to remedy for a variety of digestive discomforts, offering relief from symptoms that can disrupt daily life. From indigestion and bloating to nausea and stomach upset, chamomile tea is a gentle, effective way to support digestive health and overall well-being. Now that we've uncovered the remarkable benefits of chamomile, let's explore the many ways you can invite this gentle healer into your daily life. Chamomile is not just a plant, it's a versatile companion that can enhance your well-being in numerous ways. Imagine, if you will, the steam rising from a cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea, its delicate aroma filling your senses with a sense of calm. This simple ritual can become a cherished part of your daily routine, offering a moment of peace amidst the chaos. Simply steeping dried chamomile flowers in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes unlocks a world of soothing goodness. The process is as therapeutic as the tea itself, allowing you to slow down and appreciate the little things. Add a touch of honey for sweetness, a squeeze of lemon for brightness, or enjoy it in its purest form, savoring the delicate floral notes with each sip. Each variation brings its own unique twist to the experience. For those seeking a more immersive experience, chamomile essential oil offers a potent dose of tranquility. This concentrated form of chamomile can be used in various ways to enhance your well-being. Add a few drops to a diffuser and let the calming aroma envelop your senses, transforming your home into a sanctuary of peace. The gentle scent can help reduce stress and promote a restful night's sleep. Chamomile's gentle touch extends beyond internal use, making it a cherished ally in skincare. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it ideal for soothing sensitive skin. Create a soothing face mask by combining chamomile tea with honey and oatmeal, a natural exfoliant. This DIY mask is not only effective but also a fun and relaxing activity. This simple yet effective mask helps to calm irritated skin, reduce redness, and promote a healthy, radiant glow. It's a perfect way to pamper yourself at home. For those seeking targeted relief, chamomile-infused creams and lotions offer a gentle way to soothe dry, itchy, or inflamed skin. These products harness the healing power of chamomile to provide comfort and care. As we've journeyed through the world of chamomile, we've uncovered its rich history, explored its remarkable health benefits, and discovered the many ways to incorporate it into our lives. But our exploration wouldn't be complete without delving into some intriguing chamomile curiosities, those fascinating tidbits that make this humble herb even more captivating. Did you know that chamomile is a member of the Asteraceae family, a vast and diverse group that includes sunflowers, daisies, and lettuce? This botanical kinship is evident in chamomile's cheerful, daisy-like flowers. Throughout history, chamomile has earned a variety of nicknames, each reflecting its cherished status in traditional medicine. It has been affectionately dubbed the physician's herb, a testament to its wide-ranging healing properties. In ancient Egypt, chamomile was so highly regarded that it was dedicated to the sun god, Ra, a symbol of its life-giving and healing power. Chamomile's gentle nature makes it a popular choice for children's remedies. Its calming properties can help soothe upset tummies, ease teething discomfort, and promote restful sleep in little ones. As with any natural remedy, it's essential to approach chamomile with a blend of enthusiasm and mindful awareness. This delicate flower has been cherished for centuries for its calming and soothing properties, but like all things, it should be used with a bit of caution and respect. While generally safe for most individuals, there are a few precautions and tips to keep in mind to ensure a harmonious experience with this gentle healer. Understanding these can help you make the most of chamomile's benefits while minimizing any potential risks. For those with allergies to plants in the Asteraceae family, such as ragweed, daisies, or marigolds, caution is advised when using chamomile. These allergies can sometimes be severe, so it's important to be aware of any reactions you might have. Cross-reactivity is possible, meaning that an allergic reaction to one member of the family could trigger a similar response to chamomile. Always start with a small amount to test your body's reaction. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's always best to err on the side of caution and consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating chamomile into your routine. This ensures that both you and your baby remain safe and healthy. Individuals taking blood-thinning medications should also exercise caution when using chamomile, as it may interact with these medications and potentially increase the risk of bleeding. It's crucial to discuss this with your healthcare provider to avoid any adverse effects. Open communication with your healthcare provider is vital to ensure a safe and effective approach. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique health needs and circumstances. When choosing chamomile products, opt for high-quality, reputable brands that prioritize organic farming practices and sustainable sourcing. This not only supports your health, but also the environment. This ensures that you're getting the purest and most potent form of chamomile, free from harmful pesticides and herbicides. Organic products often have higher concentrations of beneficial compounds. Start with a low dose of chamomile and gradually increase it as needed, paying close attention to your body's response. This mindful approach allows you to enjoy the benefits of chamomile while ensuring your well-being. As the sun begins its golden descent, casting long shadows across the land, there's no better way to unwind than with a steaming cup of chamomile tea. Chamomile is truly a gift from nature, so why not make chamomile a part of your daily routine? Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more natural health remedies.